Oh, like as far as hobbies and everything, I'm hunter, fisher. Yeah, I like race car. I used to race myself. I think that might have been part of my neck injury was an accident. So about a year and a half ago, it really started to where I was getting numb from my shoulders. I was having problems with my arms going numb and tingly. And then it got to the point, my fingers, I had no feeling at all. My last hitch up on the slope, I couldn't even pull a dollar bill out of my wallet. So we did the MRI, and Dr. Andreshak pulled the MRI up, and my C34 was crushing my spinal cord. So my biggest concerns at the time, well, not just the fear of having the surgery, but not being able to get the feeling back in my arms and especially my hands, because my job requires the use of my hands. I'm a heavy-duty mechanic up in North Slope, and they can't guarantee you that you're going to have 100% recovery, but with mine, it was an exceptional job. It was a couple of weeks after I started feeling better, and about a month after, it was like, it was hard to explain the feeling that I had, because this is how I'm supposed to feel. Realizing then how much pain that I had been in the past couple of years, which was very relieving. Looking back with the experience with Dr. Andreshak, I would highly recommend him for anyone that's got any neck or back problems. He was very thorough in his explanation on how everything was going to go. He was very personal with me, and he made me feel very comfortable. My activity now is 100% flip of what it was before the surgery. Being limited as far as what I could do just with the pain that I was in. And now I don't even think twice about it. I would rate the Kenai Spine staff and office personnel, nurses, doctors, top-notch. I mean, I couldn't have asked for any better, and the care that I had here was outstanding.